In this video, I will show you how to create Facebook page using phone. So let's get started. First, when we open the Facebook app, we need to click the profile icon on the right side top on this screen. Next, in this screen, we need to click the Pages tab. And again on this screen, to create the page, first click this Create button in the top left of the screen. And on this screen, we need to click Get Started to continue. Here, we need to enter an appropriate name for the Facebook business page and continue. And again, we need to type and select 3 categories that describes our Facebook page. On this screen, we can enter a brief bio description along with website link, phone number, and address if necessary. Here we can upload a profile image or logo image for the Facebook page, as well as add a Facebook cover image too. If needed, we can connect our WhatsApp number to the Facebook page to communicate with our Facebook page users. On this screen, we can invite our friends to our Facebook page. And we are done creating Facebook page on our phone. We can type and add our first post on our Facebook business page, like this. I hope this video is helpful to you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.